Hello my dear students, once again welcome back to my channel. So continuing our problem solving series in sequences and series, I came up with fourth and fifth question written on the screen. What is the problem statement of fourth question given to us? The sum of the roots of equation ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0 is equal to the sum of squares of its reciprocal. Then bc square comma ca square comma ab square are in which series they are asking. So guys, that means we have a quadratic ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, and let us assume alpha and beta are its roots. Okay, so they gave the sum of the roots of the equation, that is alpha plus beta, is equal to 1 upon alpha square plus 1 upon beta square, because they told is equal to sum of square of their reciprocals. So what do we know the value of? Okay, let's proceed further. We have what? Alpha plus beta as beta square plus alpha square divided by beta alpha to the power 2. Now we know the value of alpha plus beta as minus b by a, and the value of alpha square plus beta square as alpha plus beta the whole square minus 2 alpha beta divided by alpha beta to the power 2. Now what can I write over here? Minus b by a is equal to b square by a square minus 2c by a divided by c square by a square. It will be, proceeding further, will be going to write like minus b by a is equal to b square minus 2ac divided by a square divided by c square divided by a square. A square and a square will be gone. This will be going to write like minus bc square is equal to ab square minus 2a square c, and then we may write it like 2a square c is equal to ab square plus bc square. It will be, now guys, what was asked to us? The value of bc square, ca square, ab square. Bc square, cb square and ab square, ca square guys, ca square. Okay, so let us assume this is a, this is b and this is c. Can you see it is written like 2b is equal to c plus a over here, and whenever we have such type of form, that means abc are in AP, arithmetic progression. That means they are in AP. That means which option should be marked by us? Option number A should be marked by us. Now let's move on to the fifth question. What is given to us? We have a quadratic ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Alpha and beta are its roots. Delta is equal to b square minus 4ac, that is discriminant. Alpha plus beta, alpha square plus beta square, alpha cube plus beta cube are in GP. If they are in GP, I would have to write like middle numbers square will be equal to the product of first and last number, that is alpha plus beta dot alpha cube plus beta cube. It will be, so alpha square plus beta square will become what? Alpha plus beta the whole square minus 2 alpha beta the whole square, that is equal to alpha plus beta multiplied by, guys, we know alpha cube plus beta cube can be written by me as alpha plus beta the whole cube minus 3 alpha beta multiplied by alpha plus beta. It will be, hope you guys would have got my point. Now let's write the values of all of them. So it will be becoming b square by a square minus 2c by a, then it will be becoming what? Minus b by a, then it will be becoming what? Minus b cube by a cube, then it will be becoming what? C by a, and this will be becoming what? Minus b by a. Now let's proceed further, get the values. It will be becoming what? B square, guys, square of it we have b square minus 2ac divided by a square the whole square is equal to minus b by a times of minus b cube by a cube plus 3bc divided by a square. It will be, so proceeding further, it will be becoming minus b by a minus b cube plus 3abc divided by a cube. It will be, that is b square minus 2ac divided by a square the whole square. It will be, now guys, proceeding further, we may write it like b square minus 2ac the whole square divided by a power 4 is equal to b power 4 minus 3ab square c divided by a power 4. Guys, if we want to get rid of a power 4, we would have to write a is not equal to 0. Okay, and then we may get rid of these two things. So this and this I have got rid of. So we'll be going to write like b power 4 plus 4a square c square minus 4ab square c is equal to b power 4 minus 3ab square c. So I'll be going to get rid of b power 4 and b power 4. So finally it will be becoming what? 4a square c square is equal to ab square c. And now let's do one thing, bring everything on one side, that is ab square c minus 4a square c square is equal to 0. Now let's get ac as common, so b square minus 4ac is equal to 0. But I told you already a is not equal to 0, so discard it over here. That means c times of delta is equal to 0. And if we have any option like this, we could mark that option. Okay, that will be going right option for this question. So c times of delta is equal to 0, which is the option C. Hope you guys would have understood it, would have enjoyed it. Thanks for watching, my dear students.